Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. It's been more than 4 months since we shifted to this rented house on temporary basis. I organized many areas in this house and shared with you all. Our home renovation got delayed due to festivals, but it is almost completed now and it's on the final stage of touch-ups. We will be shifting back to our home soon, and before leaving I wanted to share a couple of more videos in a renter-friendly series. Recently, I made 2 videos on no-cost kitchen and home organization ideas and shared how we can organize our house by upcycling waste items. In today's video, I will be showing how I've organized under the kitchen sink area by using waste and discarded items. Let's get started. This is the area I'm planning to organize. This area can be used only if it does not have any leakages and stay dry. Now let me show you what all organizers I have made to organize this area. This is the empty shuttlecock box which I covered with vinyl sheet. On its lid I have made a cross cut using a cutter. Now I will just place a roll of garbage bag inside and will pull the first bag through this cut and close the lid. This way your garbage bag organizer is ready. Just pull a bag and remove. Next come these atta bags which can be easily converted into baskets by just folding the edges downwards. I've utilized these baskets to segregate and organize cleaning tools. Like in this basket, I have stored flat mop and spin mop refills. Separate baskets are used to store all the cleaning cloths and cleaning gloves. This big basket is utilized to store all the cleaning brushes and wipers. Next come these empty ice cream tubs and takeaway containers which we usually discard. These can be great organizers to store many small items. Like I have segregated all the sponges and scrubs, metal scrubbers and garbage bags using these takeaway containers. Packets of bathroom fresheners and descaling powder are stored in this ice cream tub. In another tub I have kept Freshmatic tablets, naphthalene balls and sachets of drain cleaner. These days some fruits come packed in these small boxes. I have kept used sponge and scrub in this to clean brass items which I like to keep separate from daily use scrub pads. Baking soda and borax which are used a lot in cleaning are stored in these empty honey pickle bottles. As they both are white, labeling is important. Also, I've used this transparent table mats as liner to keep the area clean. One can use waste bubble wrap or any old plastic mat. I have used transparent grip tape so that they don't move from their place. Now let's organize. First, I have placed these folding shelves to utilize some vertical space efficiently. On top of it, I have kept these small boxes with cleaning supplies. Jars of baking soda and borax kept in the corner here. Baskets with mop refills and cleaning gloves are kept below the folding shelf. Extra counter cleaning wipes are placed here. Baskets with cleaning cloths and cleaning tools are kept in the front as these items are used almost daily. Next to this, I have placed this box with cleaning brushes. Garbage bag organizer is also kept at the front for easy access. Now in this corner I have stored all the packets and bottles of cleaning supplies. To utilize the door space, I've placed a few self-adhesive wire hooks which can be used smartly to hang cleaning gloves, brush and duster. On the other side, I've placed one hook to hang foldable tub which is used for cleaning. It is very helpful in daily cleaning and takes up very less space. With this, organizing of under the sink area is done, and that too without spending, except for folding shelves and hooks which I already had in storage. Make sure to keep this area clean and dry. If you're facing fungus and leakage issues, don't use this space for storage. As this area has some moisture present inside, avoid storing cardboard and paper boxes here as they can attract pests and cockroaches. And that's all about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.